All right, so now why at all do we have to connect the panels in series? Series connection will help us to double up the voltage that is produced from the panels. So for instance, if one of these panels has an output of 33 volts, when we connect two in series, we are going to have 36 volts. Now, why would we want to double up the voltage? One situation where you would have to connect your panels in series is where you need a certain amount of input voltage to your controller or your inverter from the solar panel. Okay, so if one of these solar panels is rated 33 volts, but we have a controller which has a minimum input voltage of 48 volts, then it means we have to connect at least two of these panels in series to be able to supply the required input voltage to our controller. All right, so this is a practical example of what I'm talking about. So here, this is a DC controller for a DC motor. So if you look here, this controller will require a minimum of 48 volts to work correctly. So anything between 48 and then 100 volts should be able to work perfectly with this controller. All right. And so if the panels we have can only give us 33 volts, then we have to connect at least two in series to be able to give us a good voltage that can work with this controller. And so the only reason why we would have to connect solar panels in series is to add up the voltage to meet the input requirement of the controller or the inverter. All right, so in another video, I will also demonstrate how to connect solar panels in parallel and when we would need to connect solar panels in parallel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, kindly hit on the like button, share with others, and subscribe to stay connected.